how to check store hours and services on a Ulta Beauty store page. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow in order to view it up. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up the Ulta Beauty store locator. So go ahead and search for Ulta Beauty and store locator and hit enter. And this is the following link that we can click on, and that will let us enter a city, state, or zip code to find stores near you. So we can either use the search bar right here, or we can click on the map and find it up. For example, we would like to select the store right here. We can click on the store name or view store button in the search results. Now, here on the store's page, you will be seeing different options. We can view the store details here, such as the address and the phone number here, and also the open and close time for each of the day of the week. So we can just go and view it up. Apart from that, we'll be finding a list of all the available services provided by it. And we can even look out for this option called Get Directions and Map View if you want to use it. And that's it. Some of the services available here may require appointments like salon treatments, and hours may change on holidays, so check before visiting. And that's it. You can follow the same process for other stores as well. But usually this is how you should be able to check your store hours and services on an Ulta Beauty store page. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.